Hello, good evening to all. A warm welcome to the YouTube channel of Dr. Pramod's Institute of Sexual and Marital Health Private Limited. This time, we are taking this episode in English for the non-Malayalam speaking people. There is a lot of requests from other parts of the country that why don't you do it in English also or in other language like Hindi so that we can also understand. So in order to honor that request, we are taking this episode in English. And today I am going to share with you the experience of this particular couple, Mr. Rashid and Mrs. Fatima. Mr. Rashid is a bank manager, Mrs. Fatima is a central school teacher. They got married on October 25th, 2013. That means by this 25th, they are going to complete 7 years of married life. But the dilemma in their married life is that they were unable to consummate this married life. That means it is an unconsummated marriage. In other words, they could never engage in a proper sexual intercourse or a penetrative sex. Otherwise, they are a very happy couple, made for each other. They have been enjoying their life except for the penetrative sex. Now, they are going to share the experience with you. We are shooting this episode by keeping the camera behind them so that we can hide their identity. I want their identity to be anonymous. That is the reason why we are keeping the camera from behind. Yeah, Mr. Rashid, please.
Okay, myself Rashid. This is my wife Fatima. We got married before around 7 years. Throughout our life, we are enjoying very good, happy life, and we are going trips. And throughout daily activities, we are finding happiness, except the sexual intercourse. Sex also, we are actually interested, and even every day we are try to find something in the sexual. But the problem throughout foreplay and everything, we are happy and no any issues. But at the time of just the moment of intercourse, the penis penetration, it is going to be like not good way. That means when I'm just that moment, I am getting some pushing from my wife's side, my partner. She is pushing me back using hand, leg, thighs, and like that. At that time, till that time, I am getting good erection and everything, no problem. But suddenly, I am losing my erection also. And at that time, maybe wife going to in sad moment. The same time, I am also become mentally stressed. And maybe like we are together in mentally stressed, and maybe we will try again to make more erection for me, but maybe cannot possible at that time, because that much I will be in mental stress. So like we are going these 7 years in a very stressful life actually, in the case of this sexual intercourse. But the main problem, we are consulted so many gynecologists we visited, but everyone not trying to find out the root cause actually. Everyone is giving medication and everyone just shouting us, what you are doing, you should try properly. Every day you should try to penetrate the sex. Just advice only, but don't try to understand where is the root cause actually. Where is the problem actually? Problem with me or with the wife? Actually, they don't know. And like that, years passing actually. In between the time, this matter is a special matter also. Maybe I cannot share with my friend or relatives or anyone. Maybe with my parents also, I cannot share this matter. That was the main problem. If I share, maybe they will shout me, and they will not try to understand our problem actually. They will blame. They will 100% sure they will blame us, sure. So during this year passing, and we are going mentally very, very stressed every year going. And we are looking some other option, like we are checking the internet and Google, YouTube videos, going through so many videos and so many specialist doctors in this sexual field. We searched the videos, and finally we got a good news from this institute, Dr. Pramod's YouTube channel, and we go through so many videos the hospital posted, and from the videos only we understood that this was our actual problem. So many videos the Dr. Pramod shared the concept that is something like a tightness in vagina, like vaginismus, and maybe something in the during the case of penetration, the erection losing, suddenly erection losing, and so many videos we watched, and after that we decided together we should meet Dr. Pramod. Maybe this case our relatives or friends we didn't share. We just come to the hospital, and when during the reach the hospital itself, they give a good guidance and everything to meet the Dr. Pramod. And after that, we visited the Dr. Pramod. He gave us good guidance, and he understood by asking us what was the actual problem. Till now, we didn't get that type of communication from any other doctor. Dr. Pramod actually tried to understand where is the root cause actually. He tried to reach our problem deeply actually. And that was the good moment in our life. And we will got around 50% confidence at that time. That means we are thinking in our mind, we reached in a good place, and in our mind that much confidence, we will be succeeded. That's enough. But we know at that time also, doctor asked us, this night you should try one more penetration. But that night also we tried, but this failed. So at that time we are very mentally stressed. We are thinking we reached here and we don't know what was the treatment here, and anything we don't know. But doctor give us that much confidence, you will be succeeded. With that confidence only we are continuing our treatment, and every day we are following through so many procedures and everything. But the one, especially I need to tell one thing, that here we got treatment without any medication or surgery or injection or like that. Anyway, we got something like biological procedures only. That was the one major difference I need to say here. And finally, we maybe stay here. Actually, we admitted here. Doctor told first, you should stay here. Then only we will be succeeded. You cannot maybe consult like one day coming and consult, then going, and after some days coming. Like that, we cannot follow up. So we admitted here. So doctor give us 100% confidence. You should admit here around 14 days. He told like that, around 10, 14 days. He give us 100% confidence. Like that, we just stay here around 10, 14 days. And every day we are knowing the improvement. We are together. That means I am getting confidence and wife also getting confidence. And every day by day we are improving. But the day by day we are going. But during some days we felt that maybe we cannot continue. We shared with the doctor also, we are going to home. That means we cannot continue. We are thinking in our mind like that. But that time also doctor give us confidence. No, you no need to go. You will be in success. That's sure. You should follow up our procedure and everything. And even that time he helped more us. That means giving more time and more guidance, more caring and everything. And the sister also with him, Simi, she also helped so much. She tried to give us more support. Even for wife, Simi helped a lot to get more confidence and everything. And finally, that day reached, that means that was yesterday, around evening time, we felt that the happiness of sexual intercourse. It is the first time in our life we make sexual intercourse yesterday evening. That we felt together the happiness, and at that time it was very joyful moment in our life. And but we don't know till now what was the problem in our life these 7 years. These 7 years we are trying, so every possibility we are trying throughout, trying to penetrate and everything. But this moment only we got success. And even we don't know what was the, what doctor did in our case, we don't know. That was also one miracle. Actually here this institute giving us the treatment based on our feedback only. First day they will give some treatment and they will ask us what was your feedback. And by hearing the feedback only, they will suggest the next procedure. And like that, maybe the procedure will be different for every patient based on their feedbacks and everything. So anyway, we succeeded. That 100% we succeeded. That means first sexual intercourse. Now we have confidence. We will continue in our life with every day. We will try intercourse, and it will be succeeded. We have confidence. So I have no words. Me and wife, that we have no words to tell the Dr. Pramod and this institute our thankfulness. It maybe I cannot say in some words, because that much confidence I got from this institute. And my wife also very happy, and today actually we are leaving the hospital, and I have no words actually to say more.
Thank you, Mr. Rashid. Yeah, Fatima, would you like to say anything?
We both struggled a lot for the past 7 years, and the main problem with me is main thing is fear. Because of fear, I felt pain, and whenever he comes for sexual intercourse, I used to push both my hands and legs and pushed him back, and my whole body is like iron block, like. And I struggled a lot, and he used to tell you should be relaxed and don't be so tensed, but I can't. And I consult so many gynecologists, and they couldn't find out what is the actual problem with us. They didn't ask anything about whether you had a sexual intercourse or not. They didn't ask. But they used to give the medications because I have a hormone problem, and they used to give the thyroid medicine. But they couldn't find what is the major problem between us. And one gynecologist, she did IUI for me, but it was a very painful procedure. They 3 sisters, I think, they catch my legs, hands, and it took about half an hour, and I cried a lot. It is mainly like delivery only, and I suffered a lot. That moment I thought never consult any gynecologist, but I go through internet, and finally I find out Dr. Pramod Institute, and I told my husband, because by going through that so many videos, I felt something. I could able to continue with his treatment. I would be succeeded. That much confident I got from his video, and I came here, and it was like beautiful ambience here, and even each and every staff helped us a lot. And Dr. Pramod and the sister Simi, both, they tried their level best to improve us. And I think day by day, my main thing is tension, mental stress. So Dr. Pramod, he used to do, he come and he used to tell all funny things, and I'll be relaxed. By seeing his face only, I'll be relaxed. And he told me, don't get tense, you will be all right. And Simi also, sister Simi, she's like caring, like mother. She's carrying a lot. And finally, yesterday, we did our sexual intercourse, and that was the happiest moment in my life. And no words to express, sir. No words.
So, thank you both of you for sharing your valuable experience with us and for the YouTube viewers. And this is a case of vaginismus. She had a fear to engage in a normal sexual intercourse. With 12 days of treatment, today is the 12th day, and they are getting discharged today. Today night they are leaving for their home, and they are very happy now. They could engage in a normal, successful sexual intercourse with intravaginal ejaculation yesterday night as well as today morning. And they are very happy now. There may be so many people suffering like this, and there is a definite treatment for this problem. It can be treated and 100% cured if both the couple they are cooperative. Otherwise, it's difficult. And we did not give them any medicines, no injections, no sir, nothing like that. With the purely psychological treatment, they recovered. And thank you both of you once again. Thank you. We will meet with another episode. Thank you very much.